We went to eat delicious sushi and now we are in this parking lot of this shopping center and we are figuring out where to go. First option was to go to central of Helsinki, but I'm not really into like people partying there and being loud.
Yes, this is our spot for this Friday night. Vantaa River is just beside us and there's a huge park around us and basically normal neighborhood, maybe upper scale because there's just houses, not apartments here.
Yeah.
These good spots are everywhere in Helsinki. I don't know, it's really easy to boondock in the Helsinki area. I don't have any doubts that we find.
And we don't even have to do like roadside parking. We can always find like this beautiful
we can do roadside parking if we want. If we want to go, for example, to the central of the Helsinki or something.
Yeah.
But otherwise, no. We can always find some park or something where we can park, and nobody cares. This is a green balls marmalade that usually my dad bought when it was Christmas, and I have bought every time it's Christmas. So
it's so good.
Yeah.
It's not the cookie form.
Yeah, I think it's just a normal marmalade, but because it's a green and it's ball, it's much more better.
Yeah.
And the case where they come is really nice. Should we put heating on?
No, not yet.
Saha is trying to save always.
I go outside and then we can put it.
Saha is always saving LPG. Not yet.
It's so expensive
Not yet.
here.
Not yet. Okay, now we put the heating on.
Now we eat cookie and then I go outside and then we put the heating on.
Okay, that's the order.
How does your Friday night sound like?
Yeah, we are guessing if we put the heater on or not.
That's the most exciting thing in Fridays this age.
Yes.
Oh!
It's pretty good. We're gonna continue our normal evening in a van. Nothing spectacular. Living in a van is just like living in an apartment.
Yeah.
No expectation, but the heating, which you can put on later on. Coffee time! Morning starts with coffee, always. That's our thing.
Always.
Always a coffee. Oh.
Our morning routine includes coffee, coffee, coffee.
Muesli, muesli, muesli.
And then dog goes out and lots of clothing. Great nights in the nature, green everywhere. This was really silent place. I like it. For breakfast we have apples and muesli and this oat milk.
Oat milk, it's good.
Yeah. And then we just browse the internet and Joni plays his computer games and then we plan what we are going to do today.
Now we bought oven that you can use on the gas stove, as you can see there.
Swedish product once again.
Swedish product. You just put this thing on the gas stove, put lid on and make whatever you want. You can basically do every foods that you can make in a normal oven in there. So cakes, pastries, bread, stew, whatever you want to do, you can do. I'll show you how it works. So 3 parts. The lower part basically heats and evenly heats the stove itself, and then there's a lid. And we bought a couple of extra things, so silicone,
Easy to wash,
and also this grill underneath there, so you can make so that those half-made, half-ready breads. This will be really good. And we have eggs, we have flowers, we have butter.
Apple pie.
Apple pie. Yeah.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Yes. Do we have cinnamon? No. So cinnamon and sugar.
Basically we have to buy like every pie.
So we have an apple pie. Omnia oven, thumbs up already.
Yeah.
Let's see how it works. And I don't know if you noticed already where we are. Best caravan! Yeah, we came to the best caravan in Hyvinkää because of this thing we want to buy this, but also when you get this kind of card from Best Caravan you can use the sauna in the premises for free, and this is also free steel butts which has dumping electricity.
They have a Wi-Fi.
And Wi-Fi and everything, so really good.
A laundry service.
Yeah. So yeah, pretty good. We're gonna go sauna in the evening time.
Yeah.
So that was also one of the things that we wanted because it's so cold.
Yeah.
It's so cold.
Do you know what time it is? Apple pie time. I'm looking at recipes from internet. Slicing apples and making a dough. So let's test this bad boy. There's a grease in it because I don't trust the silicone. And I hate doing dishes. Let's see how this goes.
Cooking show with Sarah.
Combat kitchen! Okay. The apples have sinked in the... Oh no. Shit. Pie should be ready now, so let's see.
Ta-da!
Okay. Not the best looking, but I bet it's tasty.